Hey visionaries, this is Tim from cameraofrecord.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a gallery of images in Google Photos and turn it into an event promo video. So imagine this scenario. You have an annual event and you took a bunch of photos at last year's event. Now it's time to promote the event for this year. You want to take all of your photos and turn them into a video. I'll show you how it's really easy to make this promo video with Google Photos and Snapseed. I'm starting in Google Photos and I have all these images I took back in January of 2012 at a ski jumping tournament. These are the images I'll use for my video. The first thing I want to do is add some text to some of these images. I'll tap to select an image, then I'll use the menu button in the top right corner, and I'll select Edit In. Then I'll select Snapseed from the list. Snapseed has a new interface, and on the right side you'll see the top button is for looks, and the bottom button is for tools. I want to find the text tool. Select the style that you want to use for your video. I'll use L2. Then I'll double tap to change the text. On this first image, I want to type the dates of the event. And then tap OK. That looks pretty good right off the bat, so I'm just going to tap the check mark and then tap Done. This will save a copy in my Google Photos app. So here's the original, and to the left there is the copy with the text on it. And I'll go back out so I can see all my images, and I will select another one. Again, I'll tap the menu button and hit Edit In and choose Snapseed. This time I'll tap the pencil icon, scroll down to text, choose my style, and I want to use this text to add the ticket price to this image. I'll just type out $10 in advance. I'm going to resize that by using a pinch to zoom motion, and then slide it over so it's not covering up that skier. Then I'll tap the check mark. And now I want to add another line of text, so I'll go back to the pencil, use text again, same style. This time I'll type 15 at the gate. And tap OK, and I'll position that to match the other text. And I'll tap the check mark, and I'll tap Done. I'll just work through these, creating a couple more images. Alright, now I've got all the images made that I wanted to create for my video. Now I just have to select these images. Long press on an image to select it. A shortcut is actually to long press and then drag across your images. Now I've quickly selected all the images I want in my video. I'll tap the plus icon, and then I'll tap Movie. Alright, I will add a title by tapping at the top here, and I'll just type in Silver Mine Invitational. Google Photos has already created the video, so let's see how it looks so far. Okay, so that was kind of cool, but I can see right away there are a few things I'd like to fix. First one is the spelling error in the title. This should say invitational. Alright, and then the title style I wasn't a big fan of, so I'm going to tap this styles button down here, and I'm going to try one of these other styles. I'll select urban. I like that, so I'll press the check mark. The next icon is for the music. Google Photos has a bunch of music included that you could use. So just for the sake of an example, I will change the music. I'll tap Rockin', and then I will select It's All Happening. The last icon is for editing your video. You can add images, remove images, or rearrange them. I want to get all my images with text up near the front of the video. There's the dates. I'll long press on this image, and then I'll drag it towards the front. Next, I want to select the admission prices and bring that one forward. I notice here that I also have some duplicate images, so I'll just tap on this one and then tap the trash can. The video does autoplay every time I make a change, which is a little annoying. I'm just going to work through and remove these other duplicates. Then I'll move my Fun for the Whole Family image forward. About here. And See You on the Hill. Right about here. So I think that's looking pretty good, so I'm going to tap the check mark. Alright, so we're getting pretty close. I did notice that the opening title overlaps my first slide that has words on it, so I'm just going to move that further down in time. I have to move it down a little bit more yet. So there's your promo video that we created in just a couple of minutes inside Google Photos. This would be perfect to share on social media to help get the word out about your event. If you like this tutorial, there's plenty more where that came from on my website at cameraofrecord.com.